Hello my friends and everyone interested in gardening. It is the end of June and there are some projects in the garden we all have to do. So let me take you along. My first task today is to cut back spent salvia blooms to encourage reblooming. As you can see, some of the plants still have a bit of color, while others are completely dry and spent. Generally, there are two ways to do it. You can selectively cut off the spent blooms close to the leaf canopy, or you can cut the plant all the way down to the ground, leaving just barely the stems sticking out of the soil. I prefer the first option because I want to have at least green mounds along this flower bed instead of just seeing mulch. I hold the stem with the spent flower, follow it down and cut just right above the leaf canopy. You can sometimes see new buds already, sometimes not, they will be forming later. If you do the deadheading when the seeds are fully ripe, you can also end up with hundreds of new plants everywhere. Last year I planted just 3 little plants and the others are babies which sprouted from salvia reseeding itself. I also have a look in the middle of the plants, checking for any insect and cleaning up any old dry or yellow looking leaves. And of course do some weeding in this area. Though most of the weeds, as you can see, are just salvia babies. I hope this video will help beginner gardeners and your salvia will rebloom again very soon. Happy gardening!